design is very simple. Step 1, you need to make size of the neck. You have to take the size of the neck and just draw the round neck, and after that divide your neck size into half and just mark it. After marking it, just make straight line, dividing line, like this, and make one more marking here. I'm marking at the length of 22 cm or 22.5 cm. After doing this, draw two straight lines, one from here, another here, like this, and the third line should touch neck shape. Draw the straight line like this, and do it on the other side also. And after doing this, we have marked here, just join it like this, and draw one more line like this. So you'll get idea from where you have to make the triangle. You have to join it to this point, and from the another side. Now we have drawn 1, 2, 3 lines, 3 straight lines, and they are reaching and touching to this side of the triangle. Now start drawing another lines, and it should touch this side of the triangle and this side of the triangle, just like this. Your drawing is ready, and on this line we have to make chain stitch with bead. So start making this. For that you need silver or any kind of embroidery thread. You can use anchor thread, or you can use this silver or golden, and that normal needle. Now I am making chain stitch just like this with bead. For that you need golden bead or any colored bead. Start from one point. You can make this design with Ari also, and if you don't have any knowledge of Ari, you can make it with simple chain stitch. Now I will add bead. And now continue making chain stitch like this, and complete this design with the chain stitch with beads. I have made this neck design with bullion stitch flower, and for that you need to make 4 petals. Now I'll teach you how to make one petal, so you can make 4 petals like this, and in the center you can add any type of beads or pearl. For that I'm using different type of purple shade from anchor thread. You can use any color you want, and the long needle for making bullion knot. Start from one point. First I will make outer corner of the bullion flower. This is the outer corners. They are the outer corners. Take out needle from one point and approximately keep 1 finger distance for making this petal. Go into the fabric and make one bullion knot or bullion stitch. You have to wrap around the needle for making bullion stitch. You can refer my previous video how to make bullion stitch or bullion stitch variation. Just wrap around 15 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is first outer corner. Go into the fabric. For making another outer corner, take out a needle from one point like this. Go into the fabric. Come out from this point. Again wrap around 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we have made 2 outer corners. In the center we have to make 2 bullion stitches like this, like straight one inside. Now wrap around 12 to 13 times around the needle. Twelfth time. One more. again wrap around 12 times. Now we have completed one petal, two petals. You have to complete remaining petals, like remaining two petals with same pattern.